Assalamualaikum friends. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to recover deleted or lost data from the USB, hard drives, hard disk partition or any of the storage media. What you need to do is to install data recovery software. In this tutorial, I am going to use Mini Tool Power Data Recovery software. I will give you the link in the description or the top right corner of the video. You can also download it from www.getintopc.com. I had already downloaded the WinRAR file. Right click on it. Extract here. Now password is 123. Okay. Open the extracted folder. Now click on business standard power data recovery exe. Now click on the setting button to select this file type such as video, audios or document you wanted to recover. I did not want it to recover documents, achieve, graphic and pictures, emails, so uncheck this. I only wanted to recover audios and videos. Okay. Now these are the logical drives are known as disk partitions. You can click on the scan button to recover data from these logical partitions, or you can also select any of the specific folders such as desktop, recycle bins, or you can select any of the folder you wanted to recover data from there. Click on the only browse button and it will start recovering your data. I want you to recover data from my USB drive. You can also recover whole of the hard disk. I want you to recover my USB drives and click on scan button. It will start scanning and it will find all the file that has been lost or deleted. It will take some time, so let's skip this. Now what you need to do is to click on the lost files and the RAR file. It has found some of the 11 MKV videos and 47 MP4 videos and some of the MPEG audio there. It will take 1 hour and 31 minutes to recover data. Now what you need to do is to click on the MKV files. Now select any of the videos you want to recover back, or you can also recover MP4 video. I want to recover that video. Now click on that videos, or you can also select all the videos. Now click on the save files. Now click on the folder or drive you want to save it, and it will start saving the file. Now view recover. And there is our folder raw files and MP4 videos. Our two files are recovered. Click on it. Thanks for watching the videos. Subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon button.